Hello YouTube. It is almost the start of my working week, so I am putting together a mix that I use for my kind of overnight oats in the morning. The reason behind this is I have been really bad with my diet recently. I figured that I eat a lot of wheat. Now, there's nothing wrong with eating wheat. It's just that the amount I was eating was really starting to upset my stomach. So I would have, you know, something lazy. If we had frozen sausage rolls, for example, I would have them for breakfast. I'd have something on toast for lunch, you know, then a curry with some chapatis for dinner, and that would be like so much wheat, or, you know, pasta, for example. So I'm trying to kind of crash in the background. I'm trying to like change things just a little bit, just so things are a bit healthier and so my stomach will be a bit happier with me. So what I've done is I've started putting together this kind of mix for my overnight oats. So rather than it just being oats on their own, it is like a few different things. So far in here I've got oats, obviously, chia seeds, and last of all, well, almost last of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, is some flax seeds. Now, because I am trying to kind of change things a little bit so that I'm kind of getting a better diet, I had a look into the Daily Dozen. So while I don't ever follow these things religiously because I'm terrible at following things, it's been a really good kind of guide to give me a bit of an idea of how I can change things up and how I can improve things. So they recommend something like 3 portions of whole grains a day. I think oats are a whole grain. I think 1 portion of nuts. That would be a nut, so your chia seeds would technically be a nut, and then 1 portion of flax seeds a day, because it gives you that omega that you need. So yeah, I'm doing really well today. This kind of gives me quite a few of the things that I need, and it's a really good start to the day. Oh, and I've put sugar in there as well. So what I'm going to do, shake that up, get it all nice and mixed, and then what happens is this kind of gives me enough easily for 4 days at work, plus like tomorrow, about 5 or 6 portions it gives me. There we go. Nicely mixed. So this jar is actually really cool. It's originally like a salad jar. So what you would do is it has this little insert. And put that on there, and you'd have your salad and your dressing, and then you open it up, you put your salad dressing on, and it doesn't go all soggy. Or you use it for overnight oats like I do. So let me go get my jar and I will show you kind of what I do with this now. So I've got just a regular Kilner jar type thing, and what I'm going to do is just take a couple of these. How big is this? Let's have a look. I don't know if it has a measurement on it. It's about 1/4 of a cup. So what I'll do is I'll do 2 of these. So it's about 1/2 cup of dry mix that goes into here. And then there's another one. There we go. And then that all stores nice and neatly in there for the rest of the week. Ta-da! And then I've got this here, so you can see it is quite a bit that's in there, and it's already got the sugar in there. I mean, you can put spices in there, like I've used green cardamom or cinnamon or stuff like that, or you can leave it plain, which is what I'm going to do because I'm going to put berries and things in it in the morning. So grab some dairy-free milk and add that. That's the next stage. Now this is where I've been kind of branching out a bit, because normally I just buy the cheapest of the cheap soy milk, but I'm starting to get these more exotic milks so that I can have them in my morning overnight oats. And what I'm going to do is just cover it by about half an inch, so you have your kind of bits to here and then half an inch extra of liquid. Grab a lid, put it on top, make sure it is on fully before you start shaking it about. Yep. Give it a good shake because chia seeds have a habit of sticking to the bottom. Put it in the fridge and then in the morning it is ready to go, and it is as simple as that. Okay, so the next morning this is what it looks like. You can see it's like a bit gloopy, but give it a shake and it is absolutely fine. There you go. And that is overnight chia and flaxseed oats. So I'm going to add some peanut butter to this and some frozen strawberries, and then I'm taking this to work. So thank you for watching. I will see you again soon. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, have a good day everyone. Bye.